Good morning, children. Today we will complete the exercise of chapter Cell Organization. And the first is MCQ. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Correct answer is cellulose. Plasma membrane is semi-permeable membrane. And the third is Robert Brown discovered nucleus in the year of 1831. And the fourth is the ribosomes help in the protein synthesis. And the largest and the longest cell found in the body of the animal is nerve cell. Chromosomes are located in the nucleus. The cell organelle that acts as a suicidal bag, and the answer is lysosome. A cell may be described as it is the basic structural and functional unit of all living beings. The term semi-permeability is used for cell membrane. The chlorophyll helps in photosynthesis. Fill in the blanks. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of the life. Second is the living matter present in the cell is the protoplasm. And the third is endoplasmic reticulum is an interconnected network of all living cylindrical structures. And the fourth is the vacuole maintain the pressure inside the cell. And the fifth is in all the living things the life begins with a cell. And the sixth, technically the word cell was used by Robert Hooke first of all. And the seventh, organelles are present in the cytoplasm of the cell. And the eighth, nerve cells is the largest cell. Nerves nerve cells not is the correct answer, and the correct answer is ostrich egg. Okay, the egg of the ostrich and the nerve cells, both nerve cells is the longest cells, but the largest cells is the egg of ostrich. And the question number 9 is cut, and the 10 is the cell wall is bounded only in the plant cell. The cell wall is found only in the plant cell. The cell was discovered by the Robert Hooke in 1665. True. Cell membrane lends the shape and the protection of the cell. True. Cell is the fundamental structure unit of an organism. True. Cytoplasm is present in the space between the cell membrane and the central membrane. True. Organisms having the only one cells are also called the unicellular organisms. True. The ribosomes present in the cell perform the synthesis of the protein, and the answer is true. All the cells have the same size and shape. False. Eighth, all the cells are protected by the cell membrane. True. Match the following. One word. The outermost non-living covering around a plant wall, and the answer is cell wall. Second, the control center of the cell, answer is nucleus. Plastids containing the color pigment, and the answer is chromoplast. The group of the similar cells performing the same functions, and the answer is tissues. The part of the cells which provide the rigidity and the support of the plant cell, and answer is the cell wall. And the cell structure will contain a network of the chromatin material, and the answer is nucleus. Now we will come to the question and answer. And the first is, what is a cell? Who discovered it? Cell is the structural and the functional unit of life. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. And the second is, write the function of the cell membrane. It provides the shape and the support to the cell. It also controls the movement of the particles in and the out of the cell. Define the nucleus. State is the main function. Nucleus is the membrane. Nucleus is the brain of the cell, and it controls all the cell activities. It also provides the genetic information. It controls the cell division, synthesis of protein, etc. And question number 4, what is plastid? Plastids are either disc-like or globular structure bounded by a double membrane. They are of three types, and the first is the plastid having the chlorophyll called the chloroplast. Plastids do not having the chlorophylls are called the leucoplast, and the plastids containing the colored pigment are called the chromoplast. And the next question is, define the mitochondria. Mitochondria are the rod-like structure founded scattered in the cytoplasm. They consist of an outer membrane and an inner membrane. That is folded inwards to form cristae. It is a site of the cellular respiration and the oxidation of food. It stores the energy in ATP, so it is called the powerhouse of the cell. And next question is, illustrate and describe give the difference between an animal cell and the plant cell.